Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you how to delete one of the Bluetooth devices so you can add a new one, because I believe there is a total limit of 5 pair devices, and once you reach it you have to delete one to be able to add a new phone. This video should apply to Ram 1500s made from 2013 all the way up to 2018, and the ones with this smaller radio screen. If you have the high stream with the big radio and all the options, then the process is very similar but still a bit different. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, to do so, first you want to press the settings here on the radio, and then you want to scroll down until you reach phone and Bluetooth. Select that, and now you will get a list of all devices. So just select the one you want to delete, press on it, and now you have a couple of options: disconnect, make favorite, or delete. I'm gonna say delete device. Yes, and I will repeat that one more time. I just got this car off the car auction, so I'm gonna delete all of these actually. Delete device, yes, and I'm gonna do the same with this iPhone as well. Okay, and that's it. Once you're done, you can press the X button. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.